Hey guys, I think one student has requested me to, sir, please show your competitive programming setup, that what you use for the output screen. Basically, actually I'm a Linux user, but I'm using currently Windows, so I try to use Linux inside Windows. Therefore I have installed Ubuntu system in my Windows. For this is basically a terminal, and I use, basically what I did for my competitive programming is what everyone does is install the Sublime Text, and I did the same. But what I do extra is just I go to control panel, I think I go here, and then what I did is go to program, I think, then I go to turn Windows feature on and off. Okay, from here what I did is let please wait, that I think I'm running some multiple program. From here I go to see where it is written Linux subsystem for Windows, thing where it is. Legendary master Linux, I think here you will find Linux subsystem for Windows. I'm not finding it, I don't know where it is. Windows, okay, here it is, Windows subsystem for Linux. What you have to do is to just tick it, and then press OK, and then turn off your computer, and then turn on your computer, then go to Microsoft Store. Okay, Microsoft Store. From there go and install Ubuntu Windows. Here you will find Ubuntu, and after installing this you will get this. You can configure it according to your wish, like go to properties and check which kind of transparent screen do you want, or opaque do you want, what kind of uh, color and font, and according to your convenience you can do it. So I like this transparent, semi transparent, and blue color. It's look little pretty, so I did it. So here you have to go and search it, Ubuntu, I think. Okay, now you will find Ubuntu here. I have already installed this. Install, so you can install it, and then it will ask for username and password to create account, just like you do in Facebook. So you will create account and you will find this. But after doing this, where you will stuck, let me show you. I think cancel. Actually, where you are going to stuck, that you will press OK, ls, nothing will found. But you will search that how I can come to my this Windows folder. Okay, that's the main issue. But currently you are where you don't know. ls minus a, this is a basically command used to show what in which directory you are. You can type pwd to check in which directory you are in present work directory. That is, this is my username which I give to my Linux operating system. Okay, but how you will come to this desktop, that's the big issue. There is a simple command so that you can come to this desktop. As like what I did is I used the LDIS to LDIS that long command to only YSK. Just LDIS, I think everyone know about LDIS. If you don't know, then just Google it. What is LDIS? LDIS is basically used to LDIS is a thing which is used to, just like just like suppose you have to write a big command, but you don't and you have to write every time. What you do that uh, sorry, what you do then, you are basically going to concatenate or name that big command into a small variable. Okay, that is basically the LEIs. And what I did is I use YSK as a variable to a big command, and I will show you what that the big command was. Okay, currently I am in my desktop. Let me show you. ls ca.cpp. This is basically a.cpp. Let me confirm. If I will remove rm a.cpp, this folder will get removed. Okay, this is gone. Now I want to remove a.exe. This is gone. Okay, it means I am in my where I am in my, okay, I don't know, close the program. So now what you are going to do is simple. Let me show you pwd. This is the actual big command. Whenever you open this application Ubuntu, you have to write cd slash mnt slash c slash user slash your operating system name, what you give to this name, then slash desktop. Okay, then you will reach here. But what I did is I alias ysk as I alias this is equals to cd slash mnt slash and all that. I will show you the bash rc folder where you can go and alias your command. Okay, now what I want to show that I type z and all got clear. So what I did, clear is equals to z. Okay, that's what I did. Just like you have to write each time clear, then it will get clear. But what I can do is just like z and clear. And I have also aliases x for executing my this program, cpp program. Okay, that's the logic. Let me show you the alias, how to make alias of your command. So for that I have to go to cd slash home slash, okay, now I am ls minus a. Then you have to go in this folder, this dot bash rc. Go to bash rc dot bash bash rc. Okay, this is a folder, this is not a directory, sorry. ls minus a. Now what you will do, you will type sudo. Sudo means basically you are going to edit it. This is actually Linux user know this. This is a command to have just like in Windows you run the program as run as administrator. So in Linux you will run as root. Okay. So what I will do is sudo vi dot bash rc. Okay, it will get open, and look what I did here. I typed alias ysk is equals to cd slash mnt slash this long command, which I don't have to type anymore. Just type ysk. It's simply like a variable ysk, and you are giving it some value. R for execute, C for, you can do as per your convenience. Okay, so this is my bash rc file, you can see it. Now this is basically a simple configuration. Okay, now just quit it. You can configure it like mine. And you can use you can use control shift and v to paste here. And just like suppose you copied something, just like you copied some like test cases you copied. Suppose this is not a test cases, but whenever you test case copy, then how you are going to paste it, just click control shift v and this is got paste. Okay, but what if you want to copy this from here, you will do this and control shift c, copied. Okay, This is simple. Let me show you. Just like you write u h h h h. Okay, what I will do, I will just select Control Shift C. It's got copied. Okay, that's simple. Control Shift C. That's simple.